Data analytics offers incredibly strong salaries, massive remote flexibility, and a career path that is fiercely in demand. But if you search for how to actually get started, you are hit with a wall of conflicting advice, dozens of programming languages, and an endless list of tools. By the end of this short video, we are going to cut through that noise and build you a personalized, written 7-step career roadmap. I need you to open a blank digital document right now, or grab a physical notebook, and title it My Data Analyst Action Plan. Writing this down is how you prevent getting trapped in endless tutorial loops. It gives you immediate personal accountability. At the top of your document, write down Phase 1, Basics and Excel. A lot of people think you need to start by writing code. You don't. Mastering foundational spreadsheet logic is a mandatory first step. Looking at this roadmap, under Step 2, you can see the exact foundations you need: formulas, pivot tables, and data cleaning. Write those 3 down. Once you have those basics locked in, draw a line and write Phase 2, SQL and Viz, to move into working with relational databases. Notice Step 3 here. You don't need to learn every database function. Just write down these exact commands to master for extracting and cleaning data. Select, where, joins, and group by. Next comes the visualization layer. The most common mistake beginners make here is trying to learn every single software platform at once. Look down at the top tools to learn grid. You see Power BI and Tableau sitting side by side. Pick exactly one right now and write it on your list. Pairing one database language with one visualization tool gives you a complete end-to-end analytical stack. You build usable skills instead of fragmented pieces of knowledge. Now create a new section and label it Phase 3, Python Basics. I highly recommend you only tackle Python after your core SQL and visualization stack is secure. Jumping into advanced automation too early often leads to unnecessary complexity and rapid burnout. As shown in Step 5 of our roadmap, you want to strip away general software engineering concepts. Just list Pandas and NumPy. These are the specific libraries needed to automate exploratory data analysis. With your tools mapped out, it is time to shift from learning syntax to proving you can use it. This means building a portfolio project. Over on the right side of the graphic, there is a list of example project ideas. Scan these options, like a sales dashboard or customer segmentation, and write down exactly one that fits the industry you want to work in. Hiring managers prioritize demonstrable output over online certificates. They want to see that you can take messy data and turn it into clear insights. Steps 6 and 7 show this direct pipeline. Completing your chosen real-world project is exactly what gives you the material to build a compelling resume and enter the hiring pool. A tangible project is the bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical employable value. You now know what to learn. The next step is defining how to execute it by setting up a daily operating rhythm. Go ahead and open your personal digital calendar application right now. Block out a 1 to 2 hour window that is non-negotiable, dedicated solely to executing the steps on your document. This timeline outlines the exact daily loop you need to follow during that time block. You learn the concept, practice writing the queries, build out your project, and share your work to get feedback. It is incredibly tempting to rely on erratic weekend cram sessions, but a steady, compounding upward curve of 1 hour a day yields far better retention. Looking down at the success tips, the rule is laid out perfectly. Small daily progress will always beat sporadic effort. Success in this field rewards the discipline of daily consistency over the long term, far more than raw intellectual ability. Take a look at the document you just wrote down. You have taken a vague ambition and turned it into a highly structured checklist. You have a roadmap that covers foundational Excel, your chosen SQL and visualization stack, targeted Python libraries, a specific portfolio project, and a dedicated daily time block to get it done. Your only task today is to execute Phase 1. Open Excel right now and begin. Keep in mind that every single working professional in this field started exactly where you are sitting today. The roadmap is built. The outcome now depends entirely on your immediate action.